I'm good, I'm good. Where are you from?
Yeah, I'm from Asia. And what about you? Where are you from?
Asia?
Yeah.
Oh, that is crazy. I'm from the UK. Can I get a follow
UK.
back? Yeah, of course, if
Oh.
you're from me.
And where are you
Back.
from?
There you go.
In UK. What is your city name? Do you live in city?
Liverpool. Yeah. Liverpool City.
Oh, okay. So what's your name? May I know
Thank
your
you
name?
very much, Sam. My name is Samantha.
Samantha. Oh, it's
Thank you
like
very much,
Indian
Sam.
name. It's like Indian name. Samantha.
Samantha.
Yeah. It's
Just
like
call me
Indian.
Sammy.
Sami. Oh, is it your nickname?
Indian? No, I didn't know it was Indian, man. You look so good, thank you very much. What did you say, sorry?
Sami, is it your nickname?
Yes.
Okay. And my name is Sushanta Paul.
What's your name?
Sushanta Paul. But you can call me
Shisha?
just Paul.
Oh my god. Thank you very much, Sam.
Yeah.
Vroeg now 540, I've just put up my PK record.
Wow.
Oh, you can speak Russian language?
Thank you very much. Which language?
Russian.
How many languages you can speak?
One. English. Poco Español.
Oh, Espanol. ¿Cómo estás?
Poco. Bien, ¿y tú?
Yeah. Bien. So, who is next to you? Someone is next to you, maybe. Right?
This is my sister.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey, Josh. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Did you miss me?
Okay.
Yeah, I've missed you.
So
Hey,
could you
Sammy.
please
Hello,
Tell
gorgeous.
me that English is not my first language, and I'm fond of English language. I want to learn English language. So could you please tell me how can I
Yeah.
improve my English language?
There's an app called Duolingo.
Yeah, I know that, but it's for basic.
You okay,
I
love?
think it's
Yeah,
for
I'm good.
beginner.
Thank
It's for beginner, right?
you. No, you can. You. It's not for the beginner.
But I
You
can
can
speak
start it as a
English.
beginner.
I can speak English, but I
You can,
can't.
as a language, as I told you, it gives you the option for like being a beginner or like you know some things. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking. Of course, of course. Also, hey Lesbian.
Apart from
Who's that, Josh?
Duolingo,
Yeah.
apart from
Hi, Josh.
Duolingo, do you know any application name? Which one is better for me?
I don't know. I tried Duolingo once and ended up deleting it, and I never tried again.
And which language do you study? Which language do you want to study in Duolingo?
Spanish.
Oh, Spanish.
Will you
Oh.
stream tomorrow? Maybe, possibly. You okay, Lesbian?
Is there so
Yeah,
many
yeah.
people who can speak Spanish language in your country?
So in like schools and that, you choose language. Some do like French or Spanish or.
Yeah, but I
Not
know
too
a
bad,
little bit
thanks.
about America. In America, some people learning Spanish, and there are so many people who can speak Spanish. I think Spanish is second language in
Yeah.
America. So what about your country?
Just English.
And is Spanish second language in your country?
No.
No. English, only English.
Okay. And I
But
want to
people-
learn British accent. So could you
Exactly.
please tell me how do you pronounce this one? Bottle.
See you, Sammy Newton. Water bottle. Water bottle.
It's a bottle, right?
Bottle. Water bottle.
I need a bottle. I need a water. How do you pronounce water?
Thank you very much, Sam. Like for all of the
Could you please tell me
for the
how do you
gift
pronounce
you
water?
made me with.
I mean drinking water.
Water. Drinking water out of a bottle.
Oh,
No.
okay.
If you want to
I just want to learn British
bottle
accent
of water.
because I'm learning English language. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Hi, Mom. You're not my so far, really.
it's nice to meet you. But why is it dark over
It's
there?
nice to meet you too.